What should startup leaders keep in mind during the recruiting process? All right, let's break it down. What you need to know to attract and hire your superstar team. First, understand that there is a talent war going on. There is a shortage of these purple unicorns, experienced, entrepreneurial, strategic, and addicted workers who are at the right stage in their career to jump into your startup. Get competitive, be aggressive. Keep in mind that the best employees don't want to be micromanaged. Be prepared to give up control if you want top performers to want to join the team. When the company wins, they win. Accept that you will need to give up equity if you are going to attract and retain top performers. You should set aside 20% of your cap table for an employee pool, then be prepared to refresh it with each funding round so that you maintain at least 10% ungranted for future hires. Depending on stage, valuation, the role you're hiring, and the experience level of the person you want to bring on, you can be looking at 0.5% to 2 to 5% of the business for major positions like a CFO or a CTO. Try and avoid hiring friends, but if you do, make sure to set expectations at the start. Things may not work out, and after all, it really is just business, not personal. Don't overthink it. Inaction is often worse than a bad hire. The real danger is not accepting that you made a mistake, and even worse, not doing something about it. If it's not a fit, you aren't doing yourself, your company, or the individual any good by keeping them on longer than you should. Be decisive with your hiring, as well as when it's time to let someone go. Keep in mind that the earlier stage your company is, the more entrepreneurial the team members need to be. If your early stage sales leader is talking about all the sales support they will need and complex systems to sell, then you're looking at the wrong person for the stage you are in. Early stage sales leaders thrive on selling vision and don't ask for marketing support and expensive sales tools. Make them present to you. Never hire anyone who can't deliver a 30-minute presentation to you and other team members. You want to see how they organize and communicate an idea, along with how they field questions. I typically have late-stage candidates present on a topic they are already familiar with, like their current company or hobby. If this is a C-level person, then asking for a 30, 60, or 90-day plan is also acceptable. Run talent acquisition like you would run customer relationship marketing. Every touch point you have with a candidate can lead you to another hidden candidate that could be your next superstar. So make any candidate interaction special and remarkable. It will pay dividends. Finally, remember that your team will likely turn over 3 times on the way from startup to business of scale. The scrappy team that helped you get started will not be the team that helps you grow from 50 to 300 employees. And the team that helped you during the hyper-growth period won't be the same that helps you dominate as a global enterprise.